What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel today. Today the wait is finally over. It's been about 5 months since I got my exhaust done. Today I'm going to reveal the exhaust tip. Yes, I finally ordered it. You guys knew it because I kept saying it in my previous videos, but it came in today. So I'm going to install this on my truck and I'll show you guys how it looks. So I guess I could put the custom offsets decal on my truck today. So I'm gonna put the custom offsets decal and I'm gonna put the exhaust tip. Okay, so first impression. This is freaking huge.
That's what she said.
Like look at this. This is freaking. Look at this. This is freaking huge. 8-inch tip. I honestly think this is a little bit too big. I feel like I should have gone with 7-inch tip and not 8-inch. But I'm gonna put this on my truck and we'll see. I guess I'm gonna have to do some cutting to my exhaust right now because it sticks out a little bit too much, a little bit more than I want it to. So I'm going to attempt to trim it. Alright, so I just cut the exhaust and I put the tip on there. And I had to go change because it was so freaking hot. But the tip is on there now, so let me show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like after I show you what it looks like.